Morning world. Morning Kami. Today is inspection day. Also, we'll try and see if we can get our suspension changed today. Most likely yes, but it's gonna be a little bit rushed, but let's see. Right Kami? Right Kami? Come on. Go. And we arrived at what's this? STA Vehicle Inspection Center. I just hope everything is okay. Got some of my documents here ready for the exhaust cert and all. So hopefully we will be met with no resistance here. Hopefully. Alright, so just drop Lizzie off over there actually. For her inspection. So let's see how that turns out. There are a couple of stations as you can see. This is an empty one because you're doing maintenance, but they'll go station by station. Lizzie is right behind that van over there being tested for inspection as well, most probably. So just hope everything goes okay. Fingers crossed. Let's see where this goes. Another fun fact is why I come to this inspection center here in Qingming, because I used to work for a car workshop that was right above there. So very much memories. That was fun times though. I miss it. So they did the light checks already, exhaust emissions thingy now. They're checking my exhaust, so I'm gonna hope that all's fine and the paperwork checks out just fine. But yeah. Damn, she a beauty, ain't they? Woo! And we done! Yay! We have got it. It says test certificate, blah blah blah. Complied to regulations. Of course, I always comply to regulations. Breakfast time. Let it focus first. There we go. Here we are at SKM, where I'm gonna get new knees replaced. It's in the suspension for the FD2R because it's using the stock suspension currently, and it's a little bit stiff. So what we're gonna try and do is to switch it with another suspension. Hopefully we get to film a bit of that later. If not, nah. But anyway, that's what we're doing onto the car today, so that at least the ride is more comfortable for people that will be riding shotgun or at the back. But there's a very sweet Evo 9 over there. Can you see that? Haha. Maybe we'll take a closer look later, maybe. Look who's here! It's Jay! Yes. Jay has came to save me from the probable misery of waiting here the whole day just for the the springs to be changed.
Coil wheels to be swapped out. We are gonna see one of our friends' car.
Dope. So SKM has, I think, a couple of units. Would you say units or something? No?
I think so. I'm not very sure. I don't really go to SKM.
Alright. Wait, sweet STI over here though. Check it out.
Over it.
Oh, this is another, eh? Damn, check that out. It's got spoon steering wheel, spoon gear knob, 2 burrito seat desu. What else do we have, Jay? Oh,
no idea, man.
Oui. There's a spoon head cover. We've got, damn. And lots of goodies actually.
Chase bay overflow thing.
How about that?
proper track car. When we go do it.
Craft. Hey man! Craft square mirrors. You know, when I was driving the Mini, I always wanted the craft square mirrors. Lovely though, I like it. But I mean, other than track use, I think on road might not be exactly that practical, to be honest.
You can't adjust your mirrors.
Yeah.
There's no auto adjusting feature.
Pretty much. But yeah, check out another interior shot. Look
at the sports display.
Oh man. Dang. Whew. It's got the AP Racing Pro 5000R brakes on it with slotted discs. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna be leaving this here for now. It's the E9, sounding lovely. Ah man, no more music. But yeah, so we're gonna be leaving this here, and
yeah, we'll come back and check and maybe do a time lapse, a short time lapse for that.
if possible, I think. Possible, yeah, if possible. Let's see. Hopefully we're able to do that. But if not, we'll probably just go chill now.
Yeah, we're gonna get lunch and stuff. Like
Alright. And JJ's right, and because the sun is so hot, the whole car heat up. Look at this. This is actually boiling right now.
And imagine this used to be a metal gear.
Oh shoot.
So I had to sock over it.
Oh yeah. Always nice to have a sock over it.
Rip off. Burns!
Oh! There we go. And we are back at SKM. Woo. Oh yay! There we go. So that's the change. Those are D2s going onto the car. Exactly how it works. They're poking around. No, not that poke. Do not. Bad boy. Bad boy.
这个刷头也松了，原装没有了。
Aha, now we know.
Now you know. Do what?
Oh.
Do what?
No, because you know, normally when I look over here, I can't give a very detailed explanation. But Jay is here today.
Okay, yeah. So I'm explaining.
So Jay will explain. Hang on, let me up the exposure a little. There we go.
Yeah. Okay. So I can guarantee that 99% this is not a stock arm. Yeah. You know, the stock arm wouldn't look like that, and there's basically almost no adjustability on a stock arm.
Aha. Okay. So we're learning more.
Yeah, we're learning more
about the car here.
Good, very good.
There are some good stuff that we know as well, that at least is on the car.
Yeah, there's a strut bar in front of it.
Yeah, there is a strut bar in front. So okay, that's not that bad then. There we go. We really did not know about that.
We just don't know what brand it is, but
exactly.
Nonetheless, it's a strut bar.
Better than nothing, eh? Yes.
Yes, everything still looks good.
Cheers for softer ride quality now. This is not common, right? I mean,
no.
Normally people want to go for harder one for track use, but this idiot here wants to go for a more relaxed ride.
Oh, honestly, it's a bit too stiff.
Yeah, it is though. It is.
A crazy fellow as well. But that one's way stiffer.
That one's way stiffer, yeah, for sure.
That one's way stiffer. I think it's like 20 over K in the front and like 18K in the rear or something.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm so glad they're finally doing it. Haha. Anyway, it's done. It sits a little bit lower now.
Yeah, a little bit lower.
Too much low on the front though, so we gotta figure that out.
I love the stance though. It looks way better than the stock height.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Finger test.
Finger test. Finger it, Jay. Finger it. Finger it. Okay.
No.
No.
One finger in the front. Actually, it's about the same.
About the same? But it looks like higher on the rear though. Maybe the other side.
Yeah, it's a bit off on the passenger side. It looks higher.
Oh dear.
But then again, it could be alignment.
So yeah, maybe when we get that done, at least we will figure that out. Also, Jane's over here. Yay! Yeah, but anyways, so for this, oh, hey Jay, there's more ants on your car.
No! Giant ant.
Anyways, whilst Jay is catching the ant, oh, he got it. We'll most probably, I'll most probably continue this episode all the way, so you get to see the alignment stuff tomorrow as well.
So hopefully I have time to follow them down, otherwise I'll just give them the address, go to my friend's place to get alignment done.
So let's see, but when you're watching this, it's probably just gonna happen. Okay, we'll see you. Morning, whoa. I think you're watching this, it is the next morning. Today, hopefully we're gonna get to do the alignment on the car already. But first, in the morning, we will go for breakfast first. No extensive driving, but yeah. So I think the alignment place is a little bit far off from where I am. But yeah, it's a shop that Jay has recommended, so I'm looking forward to heading there and getting the car properly tweaked. Is that a word? Oh. It's breakfast again. It's mee pok again. Got it on camera. Mee pok is Cheryl's favorite dish. What?
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Cheryl, who does not like cafes and pancakes.
No, I like.
I love her so much.
No.
This is her favorite dish.
No, it's not.
Which is why.
Say all you want, it's not.
Right? Yes.
No,
Mee pok alive. We are here at Jay's place. Picked Jay up, just had lunch with him. It is a new day. We are going down to the alignment shop, and that's nearby where Jay lives. So we're just gonna head down and get the car straightened up properly. There we go.
Check power.
We are here at CLH Tyres Trading. It's Jay's friend who drives this beauty over here.
Custom work rims.
Oh, damn.
Did a couple months just to get that done.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, but so they do all sorts of stuff here?
Normal maintenance, tire change, alignment, and stuff like that. And you also sell brake kit.
Oh, there we go. Got an E350 on the hoist. Lots of tires over there.
It's not AMG, it's not real AMG though.
Okay, the owner might be watching this and feeling very sad.
Sorry.
He bought that badge though.
Let's do it,
It's JJ's car? No, it isn't.
Oh, look at that, look at that.
No drift, no life,
right?
no.
Well said.
Definitely not. But oh.
Yeah. Pretty nice car.
Oh. Let me see the interior. There we go. Okay.
Yeah. You all like to take a look at each other's S13s.
Right.
I don't mind you.
Okay. Now time for alignment.
Yeah.
Jay is helping me talk it out about the different problems that we are looking at, about how this side is actually higher than the other side. So yeah. 谢谢你，谢谢你。So my back brake light is out. If you can see there, when he brakes it, there we go. Do you see it? Yeah. So we gotta get new lights, yeah, for sure. So gotta find out the bulb for that one, and then get it changed. There we go. Professional.
Oh, looks so good on the hoist.
That's what she said. Alright, so this machine is called the Aligner 3000. No, that is not true. Okay, I just made that up. It's from this thing, Hunter Engineering Company thing. But anyways, so I don't know how aligning works.
Magic.
Oh, it does work by magic, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Oh yes. So they put this here, and then on all 4 wheels, and magically 4 genies will appear.
Yeah.
And it just gets aligned.
Wish.
Yeah.
Although the Genie special, it gives you 4 wishes.
There we
You
go.
can wish on 4 tires.
4 tires. The 4 wheels.
Yeah.
But that's exactly how it works. It's science at its finest. NSX. Quick NSX. There we go. Oh, yeah.
FD2R. 对
What's FD3?
I think it's other Civic.
Oh, okay, okay. 我拍 OK 啊？对了，已经拍了。This asshole. I'm gonna screw up his shit. Oh, look at that. So it's aligned to that thingy in the center. Okay, and Genie's gonna come out now.
Just split through holes.
So that's the number.
那个一度速度咯，stock 是1.45。
哦，
没有。老板，你这种 origin 来讲，最多到45度到1度这样子。
45度到1度而已啊。这样你跟他调到1度咯。
调1度。可是你压矮呀，我如果调1度出来的时候，它
怕，因为你调1度它会蒸出来，对吗？
调出来45来讲，
啊，调45，你给它1度了，45。
It's the first time we entered the car, like proper. Look at the scratches of the. This is what the humps, some of the humps have been doing. And the car is done. It's also raining balls out right now, but the car is done. That's what matters. Bag in car. And yeah. Now next up is to drive it and see how it goes. So let's see.
Oh, so Daniel's new ride.
It feels good. Woo. Definitely not as a crabby feel as earlier on, for sure.
Me being a passenger, I can vouch that the ride is way better than before. So I don't understand why Honda made the stock suspension so crazy hard.
Seriously, man, come on. But
Yeah.
it's so much better now, so that's good. And we are gonna hit back, drop J off.
Yeah.
And that I think already ends this quick episode. Actually, no, it's not very quick, but quick enough episode.
Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed it.
About the what do we do? We got inspection done, we got the suspension done, we got the alignment done.
And yeah, I guess
That's it. Yeah.
we-
And actually, earlier on, they helped to replace the faulty brake light already.
Oh, so Dan doesn't have to change it
So I don't have
himself.
to do it myself. Yeah, so that's done. So that's good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow Jay
Oh,
on
thank you.
Jay's
Thank
channels.
you. Yeah.
It'll be in the links below. And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye.